Welcome to Jiyang Kiki Hardware Company. Jiyang Kiki Hardware Industry Co. The company is located in the Pandong Dongshan industrial zone of Jiyang City, with beautiful environment. In the process of development, we advocate integrity and professionalism. Only with integrity and comprehensive after-sales service, we their minds. Our mission is your needs, my direction. DVD, CD, etc. Our company's products are widely. Market covers all over the world, and we have business dealings with many hardware enterprises around the world. We strive to do better and better. Hinges. Kiki is a group company